Bohol, a tourist destination, an island paradise, a home. From her highest peaks to her deepest depths, our beautiful Bohol captures the hearts of any visitor and makes them feel like they are home too. The Bolanon are so proud of the beauty in our province, and we will always want to share her breathtaking sights to the universe. Destructive calamities like the earthquake and Typhoon Odette will never change that. Our faith will always move our minds, our hearts, and our hands to reach out to others in times of adversity. By the power of our strong Bolanon spirit, we are still able to celebrate. Every celebration has a little touch of ube. It is not just a crop we creatively incorporate in our food, but ube now also stands for the ultimate Bohol experience, where good food brings people together. No matter where life takes us, Bohol will always be in our hearts. Her true beauty is more than what meets the eye. It goes further and a lot deeper than that. Bohol's true beauty lies in the Bolanon. It feels like home because of the people. No matter the challenge, mupadayon Japon ta, because it is our mission for you to behold Bohol again.